Hello, welcome to the channel. Just a quick little sidestep before I get into the video. Just 20 seconds of your time here. Um, my wife and I, we've been a little bit discouraged because on March 18th, for some reason, YouTube decided to change the goalposts on us, and we were on an upward trajectory with the channel, getting tons of subscribers and comments, and just feeling like we're helping a lot of people. And for some reason on March 18th, they took us out and we just dropped with how often they put us in front of people. And so I'm asking for your subscribe, your comments, your thumbs up. I don't do that as much as I should when I'm watching a video that I really enjoy. And I should do it more often. When I'm watching YouTube and I see a craftsman or somebody that I really like, I don't hit the comment, or I don't hit the like button or comment on their videos as much as I should. And right now we're asking for your help just to keep the channel going. Just a thumbs up, or even if you just comment, hey, good job, or hey, I didn't like that, or whatever. I appreciate any help you can give me, because right now they have pretty much stifled us out, and so we have debated whether or not we even want to continue with YouTube, putting the content out. But we really enjoy it. We really enjoy doing the videos. We really enjoy helping people, and we believe they've been helpful. So if you could like, subscribe, comment, and help our channel out. All right, enjoy the video. Okay, quick tip. Just when you're making something like a grapevine trellis on a hill, which is what we are on in our totally enclosed garden. The best way that I've found to do this in a way that is like consistent with everything else that's on the slope is to, okay, so we're digging a hole, we're going to concrete these posts in, and then we tie a string at the very top end, okay, just by a screw. Okay, make sure that it's nice and level on both sides, okay, which it is, okay. And then you string that all the way across to your other end. And it's not concreted in yet, but we will, okay, and this is also now level. Okay, and we just tack those in with like side stakes just to ensure that it doesn't move when we're pouring concrete, and we will make sure that that's all good. And then what you do is you make sure these are plumb, okay, and that they're just kissing the string, okay, on all parts. So like, you want to make sure that it's not like twisted, okay, so you want it flat against that string. And that'll ensure when you put your 2x4s or whatever you're putting across for your trellis, which I will show you that too with the finished product there. And you do that with all of them, okay? And then that ensures that when you're attaching the cross members, whatever that is, like a 2x4 or a post or whatever you're doing, it ensures that it'll sit flat. Because if the string is flat, then the 2x4 will be flat. And so that's what we're doing. We would have liked to have done something else here, but at the end of the day, lumber prices are so high, it wasn't feasible. So we have grapes coming, so we have to get on this project too. So anyway, that's kind of what we're doing, grape trellis. So another really good tip is if you know where your post holes are needing to be, that you can use one of the most important tools that you have to dig these out, and that is a willing, well, even if they're not willing, I guess, son. Okay, and my son did all of these. He worked hard to get all these post holes dug, and he's such a trooper, and he did that for us while I was at work this week. So I just want to honor that. Okay, right here I'm just temporarily screwing this 2x4 in from post to post, not unlike you would with drywall. You know, you want to get halfway on the post. Once I have the proper measurement, I take the temporary screws out and bring the 2x4 over to the chop saw to cut to length. For some reason I lost the footage to the concrete portion of this video, but I just used a 60-pound bag of Quickcrete that you get at Lowe's, and I put half of that in each hole, so 30 pounds of concrete per hole. Of course you have to let that concrete cure before you can do any work to it. So in my case, I let the concrete cure for 48 hours. Once I have the boards cut to length, then I clamp each side of the 2x4 to the posts in the appropriate place, guided by that string, and then tack the board in permanently with two 2-inch screws on each side. So the process is rinse and repeat basically at 1.5 feet up, 3 feet up, and 5 feet up on both sides all the way down. I also realized that it was in my best interest to move my miter saw into the berry barn to make it more efficient for me to make these cuts. Okay, finished project. Okay, this is our grapevine trellis. Okay, and we're gonna have 4 different grapevines, and one gets planted between each post. So she knows what she's doing there. And we got the drip system in. We installed that last year when we installed them for the berries. So finished project. We'll keep you posted on how it goes. We should be planting the grapes. They come in the mail next week. So God bless y'all.